Welcome to our motherboard showdown. Today, we will be comparing two powerful contenders, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. Both motherboards are designed for gamers, but they cater to different CPU preferences and come with unique features. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is designed for AMD Ryzen processors, offering excellent performance for gamers who prefer AMD's architecture. On the other hand, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports Intel's latest 12th, 13th, and 14th generation processors, making it a great choice for those looking to build a high-performance Intel system. This difference in CPU compatibility is crucial for users when selecting their motherboard. When it comes to memory support, the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is limited to DDR4 RAM, which, while still effective, is slower than the newer DDR5 technology. In contrast, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi supports DDR5 RAM, allowing for faster speeds and improved performance in gaming and multitasking scenarios. This makes the MSI board a better option for future-proofing your build. The Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 comes with advanced features like Aura Sync RGB lighting and a BIOS flashback option, enhancing both aesthetics and usability. Meanwhile, the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi focuses on a premium thermal design, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. Depending on your priorities, each motherboard offers unique advantages that cater to different user needs. In conclusion, both the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 and the MSI B760 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi have their strengths and weaknesses. Your choice ultimately depends on your preferred CPU brand and the features that matter most to you. If you enjoyed this comparison, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech